Hello everyone, this is my first video. So we are going to set up WordPress on the local host. I will be using the WordPress Studio. Okay, so you can download it for your device, either MacBook or Windows. I already have it, just installing it. Okay, so waiting for it to install. Okay, completed. So let's open WordPress Studio. Okay, I have few old websites, so you can set up new website, create a website, whatever name you can provide to site name, and the PHP version you can select the latest one. The stable one is 8.3, 8.4, and the latest WordPress version. Add website. It will take few minutes. Just wait for it. Okay, it's completed and the website is running. You can like stop it later, but here is the quick login option, WordPress Studio, or open your website on the front end. So this is website. The setup is completed by the WordPress Studio, and here is the admin panel. You can change the URL from localhost to any dummy URL. So for this you have to go to edit website, use custom domain, and here you can provide any domain name like demo.wp.local. If you want SSL you can enable this, if not just leave it. Okay, save it. uh, Due to HTTPS it is showing not secure, you can continue to website. Okay, let's restart this one. So if you change the domain from localhost to test domain, you have to restart your website from here. And if you want HTTPS setup, you can simply go to edit website, enable HTTPS, save this. Okay, if you restart you will see the HTTPS SSL is not installed, so you have to click on trust certificate. Just open the certificate and insert your password. In the login certificate, just double tap studio CA cert. Let's try again. Studio. Okay, here you see the certificate is installed. You have to open this and allow always trust the certificate. Save your settings, and when you're done, so simply restart your WordPress website again. Now check the website, you will see the SSL is also fixed. So this is how you can set up WordPress on your local host, and you can also use your custom domain. Thank you.